Hi all, welcome back. This is Param. In this episode, in this playlist, we are going to see the Kubernetes. What is Kubernetes? Why we have to use? What are its object? What are its component of setups? Like this, we will see all of the details of Kubernetes. As a first in this, as usual, why Kubernetes? Okay. Kubernetes is an open source project. Okay, it's developed by the Google and given to the CNCF. Almost it has minimum 10 years 10 years old. Okay, this Kubernetes. Why we are using them? Yes, it is a new version of, we can say, like we can imagine like it is a new version of virtual machine or next level of virtual machine. Okay, so physical machine was there, then virtual machine came. After virtual machine, container came. Okay, so once container came, we need orchestration tools or manage the lot of containers. Okay, so container restarting, starting, stop, okay, or relocate. There are a lot of requirements with respect to the production deployment. Okay, all those features fulfilled by the containers. Okay, so to manage them, all of these containers, we need a orchestration tool. That is what Kubernetes came. What the Kubernetes gives? Okay, it gives like auto scaling. It is okay, auto scaling, that is primary features. Based on the load, we can add a node, or we can increase the pod, or we can increase the what node or pod. Okay, similarly, if the load is very less, that times you can use the scaling down. Okay, so not similarly scaling up, similarly there is a scaling down also there. Okay, so auto scaling features. Second thing is it supports many way of deployment or release. Of course, one is rolling update, another one is canary deployment. Okay, so canary deployment in the sense only for subset of peoples we are releasing new version of our application. Okay, but rest of the things, let's say if you are giving a new feature, that new feature we want to test with only subset of our customer or only particular country, something like that. Okay, so that is what canary deployment. So that supported by the Kubernetes. Similarly, rolling update, the sense old applications will be down and a new application pod will be start. Okay, so one after another this will be continued until all the old pod replaced or old application completely removed from the deployment. Okay, so that is what rolling update. So it support rolling update as well. Okay, in addition to that, it supports self healing. What do you mean self healing? Very simple. Okay, any node does not support the particular pod, or if it is not having enough resources, like resources in the sense with respect, in the Kubernetes era, okay, resource in the sense RAM, CPU, storage, all the stuffs. Okay, so if you are facing any of the issues, okay, it will automatically move to another node, okay, which has more resources, something like that. Okay, similarly failover is very easy. Recovering application very easy because of each now our application going to have separate images. Okay, so and new versions will have appropriate tags. Okay, so whenever any, once we are release a new feature that does not behave as expected, or we are facing some new issues. Okay, so easily we can roll back. Okay, we easily can roll back because for each rolling update there is a revisions is stored within the Kubernetes. Similarly, so it has the service discovery, load balancing by default it games. Okay, so and above all we can increase we can change the capability of Kubernetes by plugin. Say for example, Kubernetes. So if you want for Elasticsearch related CRDs, we call as a custom resource definition. That is called CRDs. Okay, CRDs has been developed and its corresponding implementation has been given. Okay, as it is plugin architecture. Sorry. As it is plugin architecture, we can extend the Kubernetes functionality or capabilities. So these are the reason why we are going for Kubernetes. Thus, for the another reasons, to be honest, in recent days, most of the deployment goes to the Kubernetes. So that is another reason. So it's so popular. Okay. So popular. It's in fact I would say it bring the new role called DevOps. Okay. So that much impact made by the Kubernetes. These are the reasons why we are reading, why we are have to be familiar with Kubernetes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. What happened? Ayyo.